guys, it's David, HD Trucks and Equip right here in fabulous Henderson, Tennessee. And you guys have all gotten to know us as the to-go-to guys for super nice quality, low mileage units. Look at this one right here. What you're looking at is a 2016 Freightliner Cascadia single axle. Nice little tractor right there. What a beautiful truck. This thing was just delivered to us yesterday. They drove it in for us. Oh gosh, I don't know, probably about 14 hours, something like that. We know it starts, runs, drives, does everything it's supposed to do, just like a brand new one. And it's almost like brand new. It might be a 16, but it's only got 60,000 actual miles on it. What a baby doll. Hey, underneath that hood right there, you got yourselves a nice little 12-liter Cummins, 400 horsepower, man. And behind that is a nice little 10-speed manual transmission, man. You got everything you need right there. And you can carry all kinds of giddy-up go-juice right here because you got a fuel tank right there. Oh, look, another one over there. This one's a 90. That one's probably going to be like 40 or something like that. Tires on it, mercy. Knee-deep in rubber. Look at there. Look at them. Holy cow. I can't say they're brand new because they drove it in, but wow, they're pretty doggone close. And then looky right here. That's nice. Air ride suspension all the way. It's got a fixed fifth wheel plate right there. All greased up, ready to go. Airliner air ride suspension on it apparently. And let's see if we got a name on that one right there. I believe it might be Fontana. It's all full of grease. Hey, take a look at this right here. You got a set of steps getting up right there to your little walkway. All of your nice little hoses are all included right there. And you got your back work lights right there. Hey, take a look at the air deflector up there. If you don't need it, fold it down. It won't be in the way. Nice wheels, mud flaps, front and rear. Such a pretty truck. Nice, clean, straight. Haven't really seen any flaws on this thing. I think you get to be the first one to dent it up. How about that? What a deal. You gotta love those mirrors right there. I love those things. And you got your regular side mirrors and you've got your little curbside mirror right up there. Take a look right here. Aluminum steps. And look at how clean this is. This thing is remarkable. Look at the condition. Look at inside here. It's like the day I rolled out of the assembly line. You guys up north, you just gotta kind of like grit your teeth when you're looking for stuff. I know you got a little rust problem up there. Look at the nice chrome grille on here. Such a pretty shape. That little aerodynamic headlight assembly on there. Yep, you don't have to worry about rust on this one. She's a good old girl right there. Look at that. Multiple air ride seat on the driver's side, manual on the passenger side, and the radio works. So we're gonna turn him down. Matter of fact, we'll just turn him. We don't need the competition. So I see power windows, I see power door locks, I see power mirrors, and I see cruise control. Pedal right there to step on to tilt the wheel around on it, get it all nice comfortable where you want it. And air conditioning controls are right there. There's a nice little Eaton 10-speed. Not sure, some kind of a lane changing aftermarket deal on it. Air dump for the suspension. There's your trailer brake controller, air conditioning controls. There's your exterior lighting. Here, this has got lane alert on it. You turn that on, there, now it's on lane alert. It'll warn you if somebody's sneaking up on you. So we're going to just turn him off because I don't want it to be confused. Hey, there's automatic traction control, park regen, and a 3-position Jake brake. How about that? Heated mirrors, kids. There's your power, there's your 4-way flashers, and that's just your brightening for the dashboards on it. It's got a whole 60,400 miles on it. And don't worry about it shut off. It's just got one of those 5-minute things where you have to clean air, whatever they call it. 46,832 miles, just barely 6,000 hours on this thing. She is ready to go. You got a nice little Bluetooth right here. I see a phone right there. It must be phone ready. Holy mackerel. All of the nice little storage compartments, sunglass compartments. You got a nice little glove box right there. Overhead lighting. Headliner is perfect. Seats are super, super clean. Holy mackerel. I tell you what, guys, I just don't know what else to tell you about this thing. She's got everything you need. Look at there. There's even the flares are sitting right down there waiting for you. And the extinguisher is mounted right there. How about that? You're ready to go. You can take him right home, put him right to work. So sometimes this doesn't show up too well, but the GVW on him, right there, 32,000 pounds. It's a 2016 model, and holy mackerel, is it clean. Kids, I tell you what, I don't know what else you need. You got a hole right there. Single axle, 32,000 pounds, 2016. Freightliner Cascadia. It's got the big old fire-breathing 12-liter, 400 horsepower Cummins with a 10-speed manual transmission. Mirrors all over the place. Pretty chrome bumper. Holy mackerel, dual tanks. You are ready to rock and roll with this unit. If you could use that truck, you just give me a call right here at HD Trucks and Equip in fabulous Henderson, Tennessee. My personal cell phone number is 602-510-5444. And if you don't need a tractor today, I might know where there's a few other trucks that you might have an interest in. Yeah, we even deal with a few classics. Once again, Dave at HD Trucks and Equip in Henderson, Tennessee. I greatly appreciate you looking.